Hi, my name is Alina, I live in Kyiv and I love to cook, and today I bought a whole salmon to make a delicious dinner. I used half of the salmon to make 6 kg of sushi rolls, you can see it in the previous video. With the other half of the salmon I make 3 really good meals and 1 interesting snack. Cooking fish and seafood is my favorite, it's beautiful and incredibly delicious. Gravlax Salmon is my first dish that requires simple ingredients. Salt, sugar, lemon and orange peel, dill, beetroot and citrus juice. Mix all the ingredients and rub a piece of salmon in this marinade. The minimum marinating time is 5 to 7 hours. If you want a richer taste, it will take 24 hours. You can also leave the salmon skin. The next recipe is Finnish salmon cream soup, the best soup in winter. I use salmon head and backbone, so dish will be rich and delicious. Minutes later, I take the fish out of the broth. Potatoes, carrots and onions will be cooked for about 20 minutes. Now you need to remove all the pieces of the fish from the bones. The last stage, I add cream, pepper, bay leaf and garlic to the soup. And pieces of salmon, of course. For the short recipe you need to prepare rice. It should be sticky and round like sushi rice. Marinating the salmon in soy sauce and teriyaki for 15 minutes is enough before frying. I add some mitsukan dressing to the rice and mix well. Now you need to chop the fish with a fork. I mix rice, salmon, some mayonnaise, sriracha sauce and tobiko nori. I will serve this dish at the end. And now I want to experiment and make salmon skin snacks. It sounds very appetizing and looks crunchy and delicious in other recipes. So today I will try and show you this dish. I will make some with fish scales and other without. It's necessary to clean all the fat and pieces of fish, add a little salt and flour. I use tapioca starch. The first difference of snacks during cooking. Pieces of skin with scales are nicely twisted into a tube, but because of water that can be under the scale, the hot oil explodes and can get on your hands. It's dangerous. Making snacks without the flakes is safer, but the pieces are a different shape. But to be honest, I didn't feel any difference in taste. The snacks are very crunchy and really tasty. It was a very tasty dinner and I can recommend each of these recipes to you. Thanks for your support, leave a comment and subscribe if you like my videos. Bye!